In 2017, a teacher prevented a school fight using nothing but a fidget toy, proving that these tiny gadgets can be lifesavers in high-stress situations. In fact, 90% of people report feeling calmer after just a few minutes of fidgeting. And did you know that the fidget toy market is worth over $2 billion today? These toys aren't just playthings. They're essential stress-busting tools. We found 12 of the coolest fidget toys that will keep your hands busy and stress levels down. Let's dive in. Number 1. Infinity Cube. The Infinity Cube is a little gadget made up of smaller cubes that you can twist and fold in endless ways. People love it because it's not just a simple fidget toy. It's an addictive experience that lets you keep your hands busy while your mind relaxes. Picture this. You're sitting at your desk, stressed about a deadline, but with the Infinity Cube in your hands, you'll find yourself lost in its satisfying twists and turns. It's like getting caught in a rhythm that clears your mind. What makes it even cooler is the fact that it was inspired by traditional Japanese puzzles, which were designed to promote calm and focus. It's almost like carrying a little puzzle in your pocket, ready to soothe your nerves whenever you need. A simple flick of your fingers, and boom, instant stress relief. Plus, it's quiet, so no one will even know when you're fidgeting away. Number 2. Fidget Spinner. The fidget spinner may seem like an old-school favorite, but there's a reason it's still around. This toy kicked off the whole fidget craze, and for good reason. Just give it a spin and watch as it effortlessly whirls between your fingers. Imagine being at a busy coffee shop, overwhelmed by noise. You pull out your fidget spinner, give it a flick, and suddenly, the world feels just a little bit quieter. It's like having your own mini meditation tool in your pocket. One fun secret? The original fidget spinner was actually designed to help kids with ADHD stay focused in school. But now, people of all ages find comfort in it. Whether you're waiting in line or trying to focus at work, it's a great way to keep your hands busy without distracting your mind. It's a simple gadget, but the calming effect it has is anything but basic. Number 3. Pop It Fidget Toy. If you love popping bubble wrap, then the Pop It Fidget Toy is about to become your new best friend. Imagine sitting through a long Zoom meeting, feeling fidgety and restless. You pull out your Pop It, and with each satisfying push of those bubbles, the stress starts to melt away. It's like having endless bubble wrap, but better, because it's reusable and just as fun every time. What many people don't know is that this toy was actually created for kids with sensory processing issues, but adults quickly found it to be just as effective for stress relief. Whether you're stuck in traffic or binge watching a show, the Pop It is a fun and discreet way to keep your fingers busy. Plus, it comes in all sorts of fun shapes and colors, making it as playful as it is practical. Number 4. Stress Ball. The Stress Ball is a classic fidget toy, but it's so effective that it never goes out of style. Imagine you're sitting in a tense meeting or trying to manage a mountain of tasks. You grab your stress ball, give it a good squeeze, and instantly, it's like you're channeling all that tension into this little squishy ball. It's simple but super satisfying, like releasing all your worries into something soft and harmless. Fun fact, stress balls were first used in physical therapy to help strengthen muscles. People quickly realized that they were great for mental stress too. Now they're found in offices, homes, and even schools as an easy tool for calming the mind. It's a fidget toy that proves sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Number 5. Fidget Cube. The Fidget Cube is like the Swiss Army knife of fidget toys. Imagine a tiny cube packed with 6 different ways to keep your fingers busy, whether you're flipping a switch, spinning a dial, or clicking buttons. Picture this. You're on a long phone call, fidgeting with the cube, and before you know it, the conversation is over, and you've stayed calm and focused the whole time. One cool fact about the Fidget Cube is that it was designed specifically for people who need a lot of sensory input to concentrate. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to keep you grounded when the world feels overwhelming. Each side offers a new experience, making it the perfect toy for when you need to fidget but don't want to make a lot of noise. Number 6. Tangle Fidget Toy. The Tangle Fidget Toy is as simple as it is effective. It's a long, twisty chain that you can bend, fold, and knot into all sorts of shapes. Imagine you're waiting for an important meeting to start, and the anxiety is building up. You pull out your tangle, and as you twist and tangle it in your hands, the anxiety fades away, replaced by a sense of calm focus. One secret about the tangle is that it was originally created as an art piece to represent infinite loops, but now it's a beloved fidget toy that helps people of all ages relax. The twisting motions are almost hypnotic, and before you know it, you've spent an hour twisting away your worries without even noticing. It's an easy, quiet way to manage stress anywhere. Number 7. Wacky Tracks. The Wacky Tracks are super fun and colorful fidget toys that can be twisted and snapped into all sorts of shapes. Imagine sitting through a long class or a work presentation, feeling fidgety. You pull out your Wacky Tracks, and with each satisfying snap, you start building something new. Maybe a snake, maybe a bracelet. The possibilities are endless. What's fun about Wacky Tracks is that they come in bright, playful colors, making them as fun to look at as they are to play with. They're also great for improving the fine motor skills. So it's not just about stress relief, it's about keeping your fingers sharp too. Whether you're bored or stressed, Wacky Tracks are always there to keep your hands and mind busy. Number 8. Flippy Chain. The Flippy Chain is small but mighty when it comes to fidgeting. Picture this. You're waiting at the doctor's office, feeling anxious, and you pull out this small chain. With just a flick of your fingers, you're flipping it over and over, finding a rhythm that helps you calm down. It's like a little piece of machinery that keeps your hands occupied while your mind relaxes. One hidden fact about the Flippy Chain is that it's made from bike chains, repurposed into something that's both tough and soothing. It's durable, lightweight, and perfect for carrying around everywhere. The repetitive motion of flipping the chain can help ease anxiety, making it a go-to for anyone who needs a quick mental break during a stressful day. Number 9. Mesh Marble Fidget. The Mesh Marble Fidget is one of those toys that looks simple but works wonders. Imagine this. You're on a bus ride home after a long day, and you're feeling overwhelmed. You grab your Mesh Marble Fidget, and as you push and pull the marble inside the mesh, you feel the tension start to slip away. It's like a mini meditation session right in the palm of your hand. A fun secret about the Mesh Marble Fidget is that it's a favorite among teachers who give it to kids as a quiet way to fidget during class. The repetitive motion of the marble inside the mesh keeps both hands and mind occupied. It's quiet, discreet, and super effective, perfect for stress relief without drawing attention. Number 10. Thumbchucks. The Thumbchucks are a fidget toy that feels a little bit like you're playing with mini nunchucks. Imagine you're sitting outside, waiting for a friend, and you start spinning the Thumbchucks around your fingers. The bright LED lights flash as you spin, making it not just a fun fidget toy, but a cool visual trick too. The best part about Thumbchucks is that there are tons of tricks you can learn with them. There's even an app that teaches you how to master different moves, so it's not just about fidgeting, it's about skill building too. And the more you play with them, the better you get, making them one of the most entertaining fidget toys out there. Number 11. Squishy Stress Toys. Squishy stress toys are super soft and fun to squeeze, perfect for those moments when you just need to let go of some tension. Imagine sitting in traffic, feeling the stress build up, and then grabbing a squishy toy from your bag. With each satisfying squeeze, you can almost feel the stress melting away. One fun fact about squishy toys is that they come in all sorts of shapes, from cute animals to food items, making them both stress relievers and collectibles. They're not just fun for kids, adults love them too for their ability to provide instant stress relief. Plus, they're great conversation starters. Who wouldn't want to talk about a squishy donut or a cute panda? Number 12. Fidget Pad. The Fidget Pad is like a tiny game controller packed with all kinds of fidget options. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a boring meeting, and you discreetly pull out your Fidget Pad. You can flip switches, press buttons, and rotate dials, all while staying calm and focused. It's like having your very own stress-busting toolkit in your pocket. What's really cool about the Fidget Pad is that it was inspired by video game controllers, giving gamers and non-gamers alike a familiar, comfortable way to manage stress. It's small enough to carry anywhere, and has enough variety to keep you entertained for hours. Plus, it's a great way to stay focused during tasks that require concentration. And there you have it. 12 amazing fidget toys that can turn stress into calm in no time. Which one will you pick to keep your hands busy? Let us know in the comments below.